Hey guys, TV's Bros here and
Jake was 1, 2, 3.
well, that was slow. And Charlie, just random Charlie off the street.
Yeah.
So basically we're going to do a Nerf war. And well, that went quickly. And so yeah, let's get into it. 2, 1, go. This is TV's Bros, Oscar,
Jacob was 1, 2, 3. And Charlie.
And Charlie
off the street.
Basically, thank you. Thank you for the end, and thank you for watching, and subscribe, leave a like, check out my brother's YouTube channel,
Jacob was 1, 2, 3.
Sub to him, like all his videos. I've got a video on there that's mine. Check that one out, get as much views on that one as possible. And 3, 2, 1.